2.5 mm square gauge wire technical data. Today we are going to talk about 2.5 mm square wire. 2.5 mm square gauge wire is slightly stronger than 1 mm square wire and is often used in electrical installations to withstand higher electrical currents. Here are typical technical data for a wire of this gauge. Used material. The inner conductor of the 2.5 mm square wire is usually made of copper or aluminum, with copper being the most common material due to its excellent electrical conductivity. Maximum electric current. The maximum electrical current capacity that a 2.5 mm square wire can carry depends on the specific installation conditions and local electrical codes. However, under typical installation conditions, this wire can safely handle currents up to approximately 20 to 25 amps. Exact capacity can vary, so it is important to consult local electrical codes and manufacturer's specifications to determine the appropriate current capacity. Common applications. 2.5 mm square wires are used to power devices and equipment that require a higher current, such as air conditioners, washing machines, dryers, electric showers and other loads with greater energy demand. They are often found in power circuits of home appliances and mid-range equipment. Maximum supported temperature. The maximum temperature that a 2.5 mm square wire can withstand also depends on the type of insulation used. Standard PVC insulated wires typically withstand operating temperatures up to about 70 degrees Celsius. If it is necessary to withstand higher temperatures, wires insulated with heat-resistant materials such as silicone can be used, and they can withstand temperatures in excess of 100 degrees Celsius. Again, remember that these technical data are general and may vary based on local codes, manufacturer's specifications and specific installation conditions. Consulting a qualified electrician or electrical engineer when planning and carrying out electrical installations is critical to ensuring that all safety standards and regulations are met. Right on the channel, activate the bell, share, leave your like and your comment.